So if you run out of content ideas, come to ChatGPT, be like, I need 15 content ideas revolving around credit repair. Boom. Let's just say credit repair. You don't have to put credit repair. Put whatever you want. Put whatever industry you're in. Put whatever, whatever business that you guys have. You do finances, you do life insurance, whatever you do, but put that in here, right? I have 15 content ideas revolving around credit repair. Look what it's doing. It just gave me 15 content ideas. And it gave me a little breakdown of what it wants me to do. I say, understanding credit score is a beginner's guide. Explain what a credit score is, how it's calculated, and how and why it's important for financial wealth. Now, I'm going to just take it another step further. Elaborate the first one using a video script. I would like to make a YouTube video, so I'll also need a title, description, relevant SEO, and hashtags. Boom, right? All of that. Look how much thought I put in that, y'all. None, really. None. Look at it. It's going for it. It's going for it. So let me go back. Make sure nobody type in. Also, I don't know. All right, they typing. I mean, they talking. But just for everybody that's watching. So this is something light, and I just did this. I just showed y'all this in less than 60 seconds. I need 15 content ideas revolving around credit repair. It gave me 15 ideas and a brief summary of what to speak about with those ideas. I then told it to elaborate the first one, and you can do that for all 15. And I then told it, I'm going to put this on YouTube. So give me a title, description, relevant SEOs, and hashtags. Look what it did. This is going to be my YouTube title. This is going to be my description. Obviously, y'all want to play around with it. If you have links that people can buy from, always put those in your description.
Right.
Look at the script. I don't even have to make the content anymore. It made it for me.
Right.
Oh, what is a credit score? So again, like literally, now I can read this verbatim, or I can use it as a guide to make my content. Relevant SEOs. Look at it can even put the SEOs in it for me. If you guys are on YouTube yet, you know YouTube uses SEO data. It uses hashtags. It uses the titles of your content. All of these things are relevant, and it did that for me in 60 seconds. So if I wanted to make one YouTube a day, I just created 2 weeks worth of YouTubes in 60 seconds. And instead of saying elaborate the first one, I could have just said elaborate all of them and kept the rest of it, and it would have did all 15. So now I literally don't have to do anything. Let me cut that down. I just created all of that.